I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by taking control. Run the Riot client as administrator and kill any lingering Riot or League processes in Task Manager so files aren't locked. Once done, ensure Windows updates are applied and test a wired or hotspot connection to rule out flaky Wi-Fi. You should also flush DNS and reset WinSock to clear cached network errors. These first steps remove common permission and connectivity roadblocks, and prepare the system for deeper repairs without wasting time on obvious setup. Next, run the built-in repair tool inside the Riot launcher so it verifies and redownloads corrupted files automatically. This fixes most partial updates. If that fails, manually remove Riot and League temp directories in program data and app data, then clear the launcher's installer cache so the client can fetch a clean copy. Temporarily disable antivirus or add Riot to exceptions, and run a quick disk check to catch file system issues. These middle steps rebuild the client footprint and remove interference that breaks updates. Finally, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall Riot, manually delete remaining Riot/League folders, then install the latest offline installer so the package isn't corrupted mid-download. Make sure GPU and network drivers are up to date and essential Windows services like bits are running, then restart. If updates still fail, try a network reset or use the offline installer on a different network. Troubleshooting tip: collect and attach the client logs when contacting Riot support. The logs often reveal permission or patch hash errors immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.